This is the Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument, the largest national monument in the lower 48 states. In our monument, we have 200 million years of layers, but most of what we're digging is within 75 to 85 million years old. And we finish a dinosaur a month here. We've done about 4,000 digs in 17 years, and the painting on the wall is of the first 45 animals we dug in a 3-year period. And one of those is one that I discovered, this one, which is 15 feet long. It's a feathered dinosaur with a beak and 15-inch claws. And we dug it in the year 2000, and luckily in 2009 it was named after me as a new species. So that dinosaur looked like this in life. It had feathers and a beak, weighed about a ton. And this animal had never been found outside of Mongolia until I found one of the first ones in North America in 1999.
So as a paleontologist, what do you think that she should do? She's in 6th grade right now.
Right.
What do you think she should do to get into that field, to get a step ahead?
Okay, paleontology is a subset of geology. So the first thing you have to study is the rocks, the layers of rocks, their ages and what kind of animals are in them. So you study geology, you study the rocks, and then you study life itself, biology. And those things together, they study the ancient animals under the auspices of what's called paleontology. Archaeology is only the study of human cultures. So if you want to get into ancient animals, you really have to get into paleontology rather than archaeology. Both of them are wonderful studies, but the ancient dinosaurs are under paleontology.
Okay. What advice would you give her just for someone so young, just as she gets into it? What do you think she should remember?
Start to read books, simple books about dinosaurs. And if you continue to be interested in dinosaurs as you grow older, you'll know more when you get to high school and college, and you'll know what steps to take to study this particular science. Dinosaurs are fascinating, and we are finding more of them now than we've ever found in history. And right here at the Grand Staircase, we finish one dinosaur a month, and 80% of what we're finding are new species, new kinds of dinosaurs that nobody knew existed. And among them are these 3 huge horned dinosaurs, or ceratopsians. Each one of these is a new species with a new name, and they are 15 million years older than Triceratops. So all of these new things that we're finding are extremely interesting.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do you know of any resources? Are you familiar with the Provo-Springville area?
I know that Provo and Springville, there at Lehigh, there's Thanksgiving Point that has a lot of dinosaurs, and they have children's programs there as well at Lehigh. Have you ever been to the Thanksgiving Point?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the museum in Salt Lake City is 5 stories, and most of the things we're digging here either go to Denver or to Salt Lake City to the Natural History Museum of Utah. So there are programs up there for kids to learn and to continue as they go into school.
So would you recommend, if she does want to get into this field, would you recommend she go to Thanksgiving Point and get into one of those programs?
Yes, and ask about the programs locally. There are programs at BYU, University of Utah, and there are lots of different programs where they're giving lectures and showing dinosaurs, and they are age specific, so you can go them if you're young, or if you're old, you can decide what kinds of things to study in those programs.
When she does get older, what schools would you recommend to
University of
it?
Utah is an excellent school to study dinosaurs and paleontology. And some of the high schools up there also, because they're so close to those universities, have programs that study ancient life as well.
All right.
All right?
Cool. Thank you very much.
Nice to talk to you.